Hello everyone, welcome to the Crystal Canyon apartment complex. Welcome to 5010 North 22nd Avenue. This is a 2000s built 16-unit complex. And the main wonderful feature about this complex is that they are all 3-bedroom, 2-bath units. Let's go take a look. So I'm gonna be taking you on a tour of 3 different units. You don't have neighbors above you. It's basically like your own condo. All right, let's go take a look. I'm gonna take you across over to unit number 114. Now 114 is what we have, is like our mid-level unit. This one will have new flooring, new paint, new fixtures, just not quite the remodel, quote unquote, that unit 115 would have. So each of them will be ready here soon. And here we go, let's go inside unit 114. Right, welcome to unit 114. This unit will be ready in about 2 weeks. We're talking brand new floor, paint, baseboards, fixtures, countertops. The cabinets will be refinished, new appliances, washer and dryer, pretty much new bathrooms all the way through. I mean, this is going to be a beautiful apartment. And this one should go for approximately $1,325, $1,350 a month. So a little bit more than the other one, but certainly well worthwhile. We're going to take you upstairs, brand new carpet. Flooring. This one still needs to be cleaned and touched up. And again, refinished. Haven't finished the bathroom in here. But yeah, we're talking brand new apartment for you. I love the smell of new carpet and new paint. Knowing you're the only person that's ever basically lived and walked in this apartment on these floors. I mean, how reassuring is that, you know? Now, if you're familiar with the area around like 22nd and Camelback, you know that most of the buildings in this area were built in like the 60s. It's very rare to find a 2000s built, which is exactly what this is. It's on a great lot. It has wonderful landscaping, conveniently located to GCU. You have the light rail. I mean, you have the Biltmore right up the way. This is such a fantastic location. Now we're gonna take a look at the common areas really fast. We have 2 common areas, both with a picnic table and a barbecue. And soon these will be covered within the upcoming months. And the owner is actually contemplating what to do with these other spaces, because you have a space here, space on the other side. They're both used for drainage. And there's actually space on the other side as well. And they can be used for playgrounds, pools. And so in the upcoming months, I'll be looking for feedback from the tenants to see what they think. So here's another benefit of this beautiful complex. Here you have it, Crystal Canyon apartment complex. 16 units, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, approximately 1,100 square feet each, and well worth checking into. We have the basic, which is $1,250 a month. We have the mid-level, which is $1,350 a month. And then you have the high-end complete gut remodel, which is gonna be $1,450 a month. These are worth checking out. They're not gonna last long. If you'd like a tour or more information, call our office, 602-938-5415. Ask for the property manager, and we'll see you soon.